Hi my dear beginner violin player, welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie and I will be your violin teacher. On my channel you saw already so many videos with the lessons for the beginner violin players, intermediate violin players, some music theory lessons, but this series of videos will be specifically only for beginner violin players and they will be a little bit different. I'll explain you why in a second. Many of you, I hope, saw already my videos with the easy songs for the beginner violin players. In those videos you can find notes, you can find the piano accompaniment with the metronome, and also I'm showing you guys where you supposed to place your fingers on fingerboard. I had a couple of conversations with some of my followers on my Instagram, valeriiavoitko violin. By the way, if you're not following me yet, please follow. Why? Because I'm very close with my followers, and some beginner violin players, they told me that sometimes for them it's not very comfortable to use those videos because they don't have actual notes, they are inserted in the videos, and they don't have tracks, piano accompaniment that they could put just on the repeat and use it. So basically, instead of practicing, you have to keep an eye on YouTube video to not end. I came to a great conclusion. I decided, guys, to create for you a songbook which will include 15 easy songs for beginner violin players. And also that book will include free violin lessons, MP3 tracks with the accompaniment piano plus metronome. This book will be available only in PDF format, so you always will be able to use your book or on a tablet or on your computer, or maybe even on the phone. To be able to use this book, the only thing what you need to have on your computer or your tablet or your phone is Adobe Reader. Like this, it will be much more easier for you to use that book. But if you don't have that reader, like for example on my phone I don't have Adobe Reader, and you can see that everything working perfectly. The function, for example, like here you see the red dot, this is your free lesson. This red dot have link to my YouTube channel where I will upload for you a free lesson. So it doesn't matter if you have Adobe Reader or not, the link for a free lesson will work anyway. The MP3 files with the piano plus metronome accompaniment coming in the separate folder. So what I really like about this songbook, that first of all you have a notes here. You can see where you should place your fingers on the violin fingerboard. And here you have little sticker, yellow right here. In reality, those stickers, they look like this, but in PDF world, they will look just like this. On those stickers, I wrote for you tasks, 4 exercises. Like you see, first song, Allegretto by Mozart. Everybody knows that Allegretto, like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. But when I was a kid, I call it Allegretto. So I decided to present this song for you guys the same way like I learned. Here, for Allegretto, you have 3 exercises. Here on this sticker, when you will read the tasks, like exercise number 1 and number 2. The task is playing the different parts of the bow. Yeah, so this is the task that you have to do in the exercise 1 and 2. Next page, exercise 1 and exercise 2. In these 2 exercises, you have to play in the different parts of the bow. But how do I know in which parts of the bow I have to play, right? For that, you need your free lesson. So first what you're gonna do, you'll open your book, you look at the first page where you have a song, then you click on free lesson with the book open, you watch free lesson, and then after that you'll play your exercises. And when you play your exercise for the song and the song, of course, you can use the MP3 piano plus metronome accompaniment. And this time you don't have to look at the video and worry about that this video will be ending soon, so you have to replay it again. No, you just can put MP3 track on repeat and continue practicing. This book will help you to improve your bow skills and also bow stroke détaché and legato. As well, you will learn how to play with the metronome and to not run a little bit ahead of metronome or to be a little bit behind the metronome. As well, you will feel more comfortable to play with the piano, because sometimes students, they learn their part but they don't know the piano part, and when they're playing with the accompaniment they don't feel very secure. So this book will help you to do that as well, to feel secure when you're playing with the piano or any other accompaniment. And of course, instead of using the stickers on your violin, this book will help you to learn the notes on your violin with these nice happy yellow pictures. I think enough with the presentation, and we should start with our lessons, because I'm pretty sure you cannot wait already to see my lessons and learn new songs.